Hello and welcome back to the another video of this Python program series. In this series, we are going to see 10 different programs to make our Python basics better. In this program, we will see how to calculate two different type of interest. One is the simple interest and another one is the compound interest. For compound interest, first we will get the amount using this formula, and time here is years. So principal 1 plus rate divided by 100 power of time. And then if you want to get the interest out of total amount, then you have to minus principal from amount. This is how you will get the interest. For simple interest, the calculation is like this: principal into rate into time divided by 100. And if you want to get the amount, then you can use this formula to get the amount, total amount. Please hit the like button if you like this video. That will really help my channel to grow. And this is the list of all the programs that we are going to see in this series. We are on third program right now. So if you see, we are focusing more on the text formatting in this program, and in this program mathematical calculations. So you can see in the bracket what is the focus of the program. All right, so let's go and start today's program. If you don't know how to install Python, how to install PyCharm, that is the Python code editor, you can find the link in description. So to calculate the interest, we require main three things. One is principal, rate, the period. So this is how we are taking the input from user. So once we have all the inputs, if number of year is more than 2, so I will just add comments here. For less than 2 years, for 2 years or less than 2 years, we are applying this simple calculation. So principal into rate into year divided by 100 is the interest, and then amount, principal plus interest. Just to print the message, we are assigning this value simple to the calculation type. All right. So now what about more than 2 years? So these lines are comment if you are new to Python. We have taken principal into power, power 1 plus rate divided by 100, and power we have taken by years. All right. So that's how you use the power formula in Python. All right. Now once we have the same variable, so if you see here and if you see here, we have used same variables. Only things the variable values are getting changed in this Python program based on the condition. So now we will see how to do formatting in Python. So string formatting or the text formatting is the most important topic when you are showing some text output to the user. So now we will do text formatting or string formatting using these variables only. So for formatting, first of all, we will take print, and then 3 times you have to hit these single quotes, single, one more time. So it will be automatically coming like this, and then you have to just hit enter here. So right now on my screen you can see, so this is the message. So this is the message that we wanted to display, and you can see many empty braces here. So what we will do, we will have to just pass the variable values here. So your total amount is total amount. Our calculation method is, we are using calculation method variable here. And for principal amount of, so principal will come here. For the years, how many years? And then, all right, have a look on the entire program. Hope this is useful for you. And if you find this program is useful and it has helped you to understand Python better, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. So I will just run this program now. 100, we will take the simple calculation using 100, interest rate 10, just to simple understanding, for 1 year. So you can see your calculation method is simple, your principal amount is 100, for 1 year on the interest of 10. And your total amount is here. You can just have a look on this message. I will run this program once again now. I will go for more than 3 years this time. 100 interest rate. Let's keep 10 for easy understanding. Years, 6 years. So you can see the message here. And you can see the calculation here and string formatting of Python here. Alright. Thank you for your time. I will see you in the next program, Python program, to check if year is leap or not.